Oh, yep. Welcome back to Kiwi Kids News. Oh, think about a power cut, do we?
Oh, I think we have two.
Lights, back on. Welcome back to Kids News. So here I am with Jimmy Hammond, and and I'm Scott, if you guys don't know, and I'm Jimmy. Yeah. So what am I here for you today?
Oh, okay, so I'm just going to be showing you some of the NZ farming things.
Breeds of animals and all that?
Yeah.
So first of all, that's Kiwi Kids News if you don't know. Okay. What is the breed of this cow, Hunter?
So this is a whiteface, and I call him Downhorn.
Downhorn. Good name.
Because his horns go down. So,
what's his name?
This is a Texas Longhorn, and I named him Longhorn.
Oh, nice name, Hunter. Longhorn. What's the name?
So this is a Brahmin,
Oh, yep.
and I named him Hump. Big hump on his back.
Oh, nice. Thought someone would have named him Maniac. So what's this? We'll do the bulls first. What's this colour?
So this is another Texas Longhorn, but just not the same as that one. It's just a different one. Yeah. Breed, different colour and everything. Longhorn with really big horn. Even Texas Longhorn has big horn. And then and I'll call him Spot. And yeah. So the Jersey bull, and I named him
What'd you name him, Hunter?
I named him Ticklish. Yeah. And yeah.
Okay. What about this bull? He's very fancy.
This is a Speckle Park bull.
Speckle Park.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's not Speckle Park. I'm a Thermatail bull. It's not Speckle Park, everyone. It's a Thermatail bull. And I did not know why I have a Speckle Park in my head. But this is a Thermatail bull, and I called him Horny because his horns don't work.
Nice joke, Hunter. Horny. What about this bull?
This is a Black Angus bull here. And yeah, I named him Muscle Man.
Like his name.
Because he's really muscly.
Muscly is the word. What about this bull?
This is a black bull, and yeah, and I named him Ringy, because he's a ring at his nose.
So has he had that ring all his life?
Yep.
Nice one.
This is a fighting bull, Spanish fighting bull, and I call him Aggressive.
Oh, nice name. How about this one?
This is a Frisian bull. We've got the twin of him over there as well. Yeah, his twin here too. So I named one. I named this one here.
Thing 1, thing 2.
Yeah, thing 1 and thing 2. Because yeah, like them. And then yeah. And I named him Cat and Hat. I don't know why though, because it doesn't. Thing 1 and thing 2. Cat and Hat. This is a Australian water buffalo. I named him Muddy. And then this is American water buffalo. You see the difference in the horns. One has real big horns, and then one has him. And I call him Brown Feet. See, he's brown feet.
What about this one? He's a brown.
This is a Brahmin cow. Sure, we don't have any bulls left.
Nope.
Okay, good. And then this is a Brahmin cow, so it goes with the Brahmin bull here. I called him down. I called her down ears because their ears hang down.
Down up. Oh, yep.
Holstein. And then and I call that and I called that good hairstyle. He always have a good hairstyle on the bit there. He always has a good hairstyle day.
Oops, pardon me. Okay, what other one here?
No, this one here. It's Black Angus because it goes with the Black Angus bull. Okay, this is a white-faced Hereford. Oh, that one is a white-faced Hereford, and then that's a Black Angus cow, and it goes with Black Angus bull. Got a calf down there, it's Black Angus, and yeah. And this is a Hereford cow, and it goes with Hereford bull here. And yeah, and then I named her brown chocolate, and then wait, what was this name? I didn't give that name, eh? Oh, yeah, this is dark chocolate.
Jesus, like a loud voice today.
This is dark chocolate, and yeah.
Dark chocolate was his name.
And then I've got the Simmental cow here. It's a Simmental cow. It goes with the Simmental bull here. And then named that Top Deck. And yeah.
I want to come up with a few names here.
No, you can't. These are mine.
Well,
I've named this one here Ginger Cookie.
Okay, I want to name this next cow.
Richard.
I'll say here's Ginger Cookie, and that is a Jersey. How do I know that? Because I'm smart.
Oh, and this is also the Jersey. And these are both jerseys. They look different, but yeah.
Okay, I'll give
And these ones here are also twins here.
triplets.
Oh yeah, that we have triplets here.
And I want to name this one.
No.
Okay, I want to give this a name, even if there's a proper name for him. Friedrich Jones. Jones.
Okay, that's a pretty good name. And then we've got some twins here. Twinnies. And yeah. There's one bull gone. We've got
Two of those.
two of these twins. And I named them Whitehead.
No,
Whitehead.
hold on. Jimmy. Named after Jimmy. Scott. Named after Scott.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
And then we've got last one here. It's a Holstein as well. Holstein. And yeah, then that's also Holstein. And then yeah, I named that Eat Up. Get it? Cause eat it up.
Alright, now I've got the next one. Okay, a horse.
Yeah. So
What is this horse?
this is called Shiny. This horses.
What kind of breed is it, Hunter?
I don't know my horse breeds, but yes, I've just named it Shiny. And then got a calf down here.
It's
I don't know the breed of that
foal.
either. Yeah, it's
I
foal.
don't know what it's called. Okay, next up.
And then I named this one Hang Your Tail Out, Man.
Got this one here. Oh, that's not a calf.
Get
That's
that.
I named this one especially after me. Yellow.
And then I've got this Holstein calf here. It's also a boy. And then a Holstein calf. And
Wait,
then
you
got,
lost.
I named him Stripey. And then got the what is it? Texas Longhorn calf. Goes with the Texas Longhorn bull. And then named that Spotty. Brown and white spot. And then got what's this, a deer. And then we've got this one here, and then it also has a twin. Are these all my calves here?
No, there's a lot more.
And then this is the Black Angus. Goes with these two here. So the Black Angus bull here, muscly, and then dark chocolate here. Black Angus cow. And then the Black Angus, this one here, Black Angus, dark chocolate junior.
Okay, hold on, folks. I'll just go get the rest of his cattle.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
And,
keep going.
you keep going.
So yeah.
Catch you out, folks.
So then we've got some twins here. These are also some Holsteins. Frisians, and then the twins, and named them Scott and Scott Jr. Don't know why though. And then also got this here, but got a twin with it. It's not right here right now though. And then it says and I named this. What was that called again? Jimmy John. I think it was called Baby Horn. And then the other one was Baby Horn. Get it? Horn and horns. And then we've got these two dogs here. And we've also got two dogs at home. Right here where we are.
Oh, back in the game, folks!
Yeah, we've got two dogs here. We've got two dogs and then the exact same as this little one here, except it's older and bigger. Well, not bigger because the younger one is actually taller than it. They're both the black and white one, yes, and the brown and white one, Lucy. Oh, yeah, now we're getting back to the car now. Oh, what? The dogs are having kennel here, amazing it, and in Hereford Park, Hereford Cow there, Hereford Bull. So got that there, and then you should all know this is lightning strike. Yeah, now oh, here's the twin of it. Here's the twin of this one here, Horn and Hornies. Oh yeah, I already told you about that. And then we've got this one here. And it has a twin here too. This is another. These are wrong one. Got a twin here. And I think this would be like that. I don't think they'll be happy. And he named him Brown Spot, Black Spot. Yeah. Both the same. And then we've got another calf here. And then yeah. And then name that Moon with a little circle bit on it. Named him Full Moon. And then also got another Hereford here. And then it goes with it. And then named that Brownies. Don't know why though. And then we got another Frisian here. And then named that. I named him Smiley Face because he has like two eyes there and then the nose. And then yeah. Smiley face.
Now I'll start naming some of these and I'll be a lot quicker. Okay, here is a white, oh no, with one more calf guys, white face, and I named it white face just because white tail, white face.
And now I'm going back and now I'm going to some sheep. And this is a twin sheep here with that twin white sheep named Pink Ears and Pinky Ears.
And this is the mother to it.
Yeah.
And then I've got the baby sheep,
Yeah.
the cream sheep. And then I named her Cream and Creamy.
And then that's what was this called again?
Oh,
I think that was Harry.
here in McCleary.
Yeah. And then that's the mother to that little baby calf there. Those two together, Cream and Creamy. And then this is the mother to those two.
Okay, these little piggies
Oh
here.
yes. And now I've got some piggies here.
I used to have another one of those boars ourselves, and I used to have two more of these little piglets.
Oh, these also twins here.
And that name Pinky and Baby Pink.
Yeah.
And Father Pink.
Yeah. No, this is their mother again. So then that's Pink mother.
Okay, and a big boar here.
Oh, then this is a big wild boar. We've got these dogs here. Caught that in the wild, but we didn't want to kill it. We wanted it on our farm. And yeah, we named him Pig Tusk.
And he's also quite a big goat.
Oh
He
yeah.
runs around the farm quite like.
Nah, he's in a pen.
Yeah.
The horse.
Yeah.
Well, not all the horses next to the horse.
And
Quack. And now we've got some deer here. A red deer doe.
and some more deer.
And then we've got the red deer stand. Oh, come on. And then
A moose.
this is the
Yeah.
father.
Another red.
Oh, come on, mate.
Sorry.
And we've got an elk here. And then we've got another red deer and white tail and then another white-tailed, and then a big moose. And now we've got a little turkey.
And now we've got the bear. Hello guys. Thanks back for 1 year.
Yeah.
You know, this is back. He's out. Yeah.
See ya. Turn the lights off.
Lights.